concentration means moles per liter. Please understand this carefully, that if we say when we say that 36.5 grams of HCl is present in a liter, then it is 1 mole per liter. If we say 73 grams HCl per liter, comma, it means 2 moles per liter. Okay. Moles per liter is also expressed as moles per dmq. And you should remember 1 liter equals to 1 dmq equals to 1000 ml equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Please remember this. Don't forget. So instruments to measure gas volumes equals to gas syringe. Gas syringe. Do not use any other instrument. Whenever you want to measure the gas volume, always use gas syringe. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, volume.
Okay. Can I go to the next page?
No. Sir, last one, what is written? Gas syringe.
Syringe. Gas syringe.
Now finish.
Okay, moving to the next page. Now, to measure the mass. To measure,
Number 2.
yes. To measure the mass, you need physical balance. Have you seen physical balance? Or common balance is with the vegetable or in the grocery shop. Physical balance means, have you seen in the jeweler shop?
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Called physical balance, or we can say digital weighing machine. Digital weighing machine. Please remember that these instruments measure masses, comma, spring balance. Spring balance measures weight. So to measure the mass, so naturally the more the mass, comma, the more the reaction. So the more the mass, the more the reaction. This is one aspect. Then, as I told you in the previous page, that you will measure the volume of a gas with the help of a gas syringe. Next is
Okay.
the more the concentration, comma, the more the reaction. The more the reaction. So till now we have got a few factors. Okay, like something like the measure mass is one factor. Another is the concentration. So one factor is the mass, next factor is concentration. Again, we will know something about the third factor, which is the temperature. Now, as the temperature increases, comma, the rate of the reaction also increases. So as the temperature increases, the rate of the reaction also increases. So this is the third factor, temperature. Okay. The next one, what I want to say is the size of the reactants. Size of the reactants. Size of the reactants, what we will say that powdered, powdered size reactants react more and faster than larger particles, larger sized substances. Got it? Any doubts?
Yes.
Anybody? Any doubt anyone is having? I have expressed in detail. So basically,
Uh,
there are four main factors which will alter the rate of the reaction. One is the mass, the next one is the concentration, temperature, and the size of the reactants. Okay. One more thing, definitely you can see that, sir, is there any other factor? Yes, but that is not as important, you know. That is called the area of the substance, because area and size are more or less, they can be related. Surface area, surface area. So basically what will happen in the surface area is, as I told you, that powdered size particles react much more than the bigger ones. Powdered size particles will react much more. Just you remember. So powdered, the same thing I will say again. Powdered size. Got it, all of you?
yes, sir.
So please go through in your textbook. Okay, you will get this thing within the practicals and the surface area. I have shown that page also where I asked you to copy number this thing like 02 S point 2.02. That's for your reference worked example. And now I also explained a few points. Hope this will clear concepts. Okay, as I told you in this page also, the rate of the reaction is affected by concentration. Then okay, you can also measure the gas volume by means of a syringe. And as regards something like measurement of the mass, you will need the physical balance or digital weighing machine. And then concentration, I have taught you how to do that. The more mass you mix with water, the more concentrated it becomes. Temperature, you can use a thermometer to measure it. And size of the reactants, it depends upon the way you are making it in powder form. Okay, so thank you for being here in this class and wishing you all the best. This was the question which I showed and I described how to do that. So let's end today's class and see you on Monday. Girls,
Thank you,
Madhumam,
sir.
Thank
please
you.
go through the notes that I gave you.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you then.
Thank
Please
you, sir.
thank you and wish you a nice weekend. Okay, thank you and bye bye.
Bye bye.